Here's a shuffle combination I've been working on. I'll break it down for you. From the back. And Polly, reverse Polly, repeat, Miami, toe heel, and scissor, reset, and a little T-step off. Again, and Polly, reverse Polly, reverse, Miami, toe heel, scissor, reset, and T-step. Now to counts. And 1, and 2, and a 3, and a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Reset, and T-step off. To the front, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and 7, and 8. Reset, and T-step. I want to mention that I am trying to cross that Polly more, that second Polly, working on crossing over a bit more. On this one, going to make a bit of an entrance. Here we go. And that's it.